Alright, boys, what's up, YouTube? First YouTube video. First YouTube video. Road to profitability. We're already on Express. Let's take a look. Oh, fuck. First YouTube video, bro. We're on Express, bro. I've been grinding this shit out. Glory to God, as always. 50K. I'm down right now. Low key, I've been getting super, like, shit RRs. Um, It's just been like a shitty, just like I am not happy with these trades at all. Bunch of break evens. Today we're gonna be doing a backtesting session. I'm one day away from like 5 winning days, so we just need 2 profitable days in a row and I could take one. I'm risking 350 per trade, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get into the backtesting. Oh, I'm in um I'm in like February 2024. Why isn't this working? Right now I'm in February 2024. Um, use FX replay. Loki, it gave me like a $1 offer to buy like the premium subscription, so I'm like, why not for just a month? But yeah, let's get into it. So we're on the 12th of February. Um, hang on. We are on the 12th of February. Alright, so usually what I do, bro, another update. What a fucking joke. What's the point of even fucking paying $1 for this bullshit? Um, as I was saying, I like to mark all my shit out. So I mark out on the 30 minute, 9:30, 3 and 1800 because Asia session opens at 1800. London opens at 3, so I also get my session liquidity down. Um, I'm just gonna do a week today. So this is like a previous day high, a previous week high actually. This is like an hourly low. And then we have Asia session lows down here. And obviously Asia highs are right here, but they're not even valid because we pushed above them. So then I'll do the same over on NQ, 930, 3, and 1800. You know, I've never really filmed a YouTube video before, but I feel low-key, I'm kind of comfortable in front of the camera, you know? It's more of just like I feel like genuine, like I feel like I can talk to maybe the one viewer I get on this video, you know? But I've been grinding at this shit for like 6 months now. I mean, like 9 months now, actually. It's March 26th, damn, bro. Started in June. Price action recently just hasn't been hitting well. Like, just on the live markets, bro. Price hasn't been delivering at all. This war in Iran's really fucking shit up, you know? Okay, so what did price do? We took out this hourly low. We failed to come down, take Asia low. Oh shit, I forgot to delete this stuff. Um, failed to come down and take Asia low. Bullish structure is intact on the higher time frame. We have no really external highs besides this previous week low. Previous week high. So I think that's going to be my draw at because we swept, we broke 5 minute structure, and we're continuing that bullish order flow, which is aligning with the higher time frames. So let's just wait for price to play out. So this is actually ideal for me because we I want my draw to be London highs and these previous week highs up here. So I want price to come down a bit to see if it can give me an entry, especially because it's early. I'm just gonna have to stay patient on this. So our more bullish index is gonna be or Nasdaq on the right here. As you can see, we're pushing into this 5 minute gap on NQ. Oh yeah, sorry, this is ES. Pushing in this 5 minute gap on NQ, and we continue to print higher on ES, which actually isn't ideal for me. Okay, this is even better. So we have to watch this 5 minute gap here over on NQ. Keep pointing like you guys can fucking see. I have to watch this 5 minute gap here because if it gets inverse, that's changing the order flow. So we have to be careful because I want to see bullish order flow align on both the indexes and align with the higher time frame as well. So as you can see, we're rejecting out of this 5-minute on both. So really all I'm waiting for is a break of structure in inverse, and we don't have a gap here on ES. And I want to trade on ES because it's our more bullish index and we're closer to these targets. So it's kind of unfortunate that we keep printing like this. Okay, beautiful. So as you can see, we're forming a bullish SMT. So this low up to this low, and this low down to this low. So all I'm waiting for now is a bullish candle out of this, because let's see, if we break structure all the way up here, oh shit, that's a horrible way to mark it out. If we break structure all the way up here, I'm basically accepting a 0.33 RR. So I just want a bullish candle because we already tapped in this 5-minute gap. So as long as we can confirm this bullish SMT, okay, but that's such a choppy candle that I'm not gonna want to enter off of that because I want a strong bullish reaction to the upside, and we got a down candle on NQ seeing. So this bullish SMT could be invalidated. So we're just gonna stay patient now. Doji. See, this is why we stay patient. We invalidated that bullish SMT there. Let's see, are we gonna hold this 5-minute gap? This is the question because it's 9:49 basically. So we actually inverse that 5-minute, which honestly is horrible because now the indexes don't align. So that kind of changes things here. I'm not a fan of that at all. So it's very unfortunate. I mean, now what I really want to see is a change in order flow on the 1 minute to the upside, and then maybe continuation out of that. So I'm going to be looking at this 1-minute gap. Why is price forming like this? Like, it's got to be something with FX replay, man. Okay, retracing this 1-minute gap I was looking at. Okay, now we inverse it. Man, price action really sucks, bro. We'll keep it a buck. We'll keep it a buck. So this actually is interesting because now we close above the 79% extension with intent. So now I don't really care that the indexes don't technically align because this is already showing a strong bullish movement to the upside. So then again, it's very choppy right now. So like here, I'd be looking for a very strong setup in the live markets. But really, all I'm waiting for now is a 1-minute break or change in order flow to the upside again. So we got that down candle. What are we looking for? A closure above that. Alright, what the fuck, bro? I'm tired of this bullshit, bro. Alright, slipped out that 5-minute low. We're making a bullish SMT. Alright, finally. Did we even break? Like, we closed above the 79% extension. Made this bullish SMT. I mean, yeah, I think this is going to be my long entry here. So Loki gave us a good fill. Kind of worries me that there's these triple lows to the downside, but I mean, aligning with the higher time frame, our targets are obvious to the upside. Um, so that's going to be our targets. The target this high and this high. So I'm gonna add a partial, and then what I do with my strategy is I'll take partials and then I'll move stops to break even. So let's see how this plays out. Jeez. Ah, man, that's unfortunate. So, oh my days, that was low-key a stupid ass trade. I mean, my targets were correct, but I really... So in this situation, we broke 5-minute structure to the downside. So I really shouldn't have taken this trade here. I really thought because we had this bullish SMT that price would want to reverse. Um, but yeah, you just gotta learn. I just gotta learn, bro. Like, okay, obviously, I wasn't really paying attention actually. That's looking unfortunate. So what I should have waited for, which we never even got, I should have waited for price to actually come up and break structure. Let's write the journal here. Broke, price broke 5-minute structure to the downside, which indicated a reversal. The higher time frame trend and liquidity targets were still valid. However, I should have waited for more confluence as price only closed above the 79% extension. So I really should have waited for extension. Fuck that, bro. So I was low-key confident in that, but overall, looking back on it, that was stupid. Month's not looking good, boys. Not at all. So I'll come and back test one more here. Hopefully to my couple of viewers, hopefully, that are watching this, you can learn something from me, even though I'm fucking unprofitable. But I'll be profitable soon. Don't you boys worry. I said I would do a week, but like this video's looking getting long as fuck, bro. It's already 11 minutes in, so I'm gonna try and speedrun this shit. Um, so we got these relative equals stacked up 4-hour lows, the 30-minute lows, and come over to NQ, mark out our time frames. It's looking just a chill fucking, what, Thursday? Still in high school, by the way, if you boys are wondering. I'm fucking, like, always trading in school and fucking, you guys can relate to me. It's always the same comments, bro, like, oh, what the fuck is that? Look at the chart. It's, like, so annoying, bro. Like, hop off my tip. Bro, but, like, low-key, I just really want to become profitable, bro. Like, it's just, like, it's a fucking grind, but I'm keeping my emotions in check on the live markets. It's just I need to just work on executions and paying more attention. I feel like I always had a tendency to blame bad price action, even though I was just shit at trading. So we still have these relative equal lows on NAS. However, we still have those intact. We already took them on both, so this low, it's not even valid reversal point. We're in a like really overextended bearish order flow. So like the idea of shorts is like, yeah, maybe, but normally price will retrace at this point. So really what I'm waiting for is I want a decent push up, and then I want to see a reversal after that. So like this isn't like a good enough retrace, because if we look at like the 30-minute, let's say, equilibrium is way up here. So I'm just going to continue to stay patient here. Like, and okay, one key thing is that I do not trade retraces because I always end up getting fucked. I kind of wanted to say that I wanted to hit equilibrium, but that's so far away. And I mean, if we're gonna break 5-minute structure back to the downside, okay, this is what I was talking about. Let's just stay patient. We're gonna break 5-minute structure here, which we did over here on ES. But again, I want to wait for the indexes to align. This is just kind of shit price action, bro. I mean, I don't fucking like this at all, bro. Let's see where this 5-minute is in terms of equilibrium. So we came pretty close. Okay, we broke 1-minute structure to the downside on NQ, and the higher time frame trend aligns with this shit. So I think this is a pretty good pullback. I mean, what is this? 46-point pullback. That's pretty significant. This is just a huge down candle that was caused by news that happened. Oh, it's CPI. So, yeah, we're not going to get a significant retrace there. All I'm waiting for now is, do we break? So I need a deeper pullback on the 5 minute here. So like this closure here, it's not enough of a retrace because this 5 minute candle didn't come up in equilibrium or anything. So we could miss an entry here. Okay, perfect. Exactly what I'm talking about. Talking through my thoughts. It's interesting. So we have a huge bearish SMT that's potential. We did confirm it on yes, but then again, we're still in bullish order flow on NQ, so I really just don't like this. I don't like it at all. I feel like what I need to see from here is like an inverse of one of these gaps, the downside, and then a respection of like a BPR or something, because that's the only way I want to be bearish. Otherwise, so we're just continuing a print higher. And man, my thoughts are all fucked. Like, yeah, we still have this equilibrium here. And we pushed into it, like I said, we probably could. And now we're in bullish order flow on ES. This is just a place I do not want to trade, and it's getting late in the day. It's already 10:30. Alright, boys. I think that wraps it up for the first YouTube video. I mean, I didn't do much. I really didn't do much. I didn't teach anything. Low-key a failure to society. I need to get profitable. I need to get profitable. I'm profitable. I'm profitable. I'm profitable. Fuck. My bad. Alright. Let's just see if it played out to the downside. Okay. Oh, look at that. Was I fucking right? But like, in this target, I don't trade retrace. Fuck me, bro. Alright, boys. I'll catch you in the next one.